Okay, number 3, similar to what we've been doing, we take our two chords, so D to E, and if we multiply that by E to B, that's going to equal AE to EC. So if I set that up right here, I have x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 4, and that equals 10 times 9. So we have some distributive property over here with binomials. So remember, we take this x, and we want to multiply it to both of these. So I'm going to say x times x minus 4. And then this 5 also has to go to both of those. So 5 times x minus 4 equals 90. And that will be the distributive property. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Plus 5x minus 20 equals 90. Combine like terms right here in the middle. You get x squared plus 1x. I'm just going to write x because negative 4 plus 5 minus 20 equals 90. So because of this x squared, it's quadratic, which means I'm going to minus 90 from both sides. And I have x squared plus x minus 110 equals 0. Okay, so we solved these in quarter 1 and quarter 2. But because this is 1x squared, if this was any other number, we would use the quadratic formula. But because it's 1, we're going to factor. So I don't know if you remember factoring, but we take our C value, negative 110, and then our B value, plus 1, and we're going to write our answer in 2 factors equal to 0. So the missing numbers here, they're 2 numbers that multiply to negative 110 and add to 1. Okay, so if you're not sure, you're like, I have no idea, just start dividing. 2 and 55. Nope. 5 and 22. 10 and 11. 11 minus 10 is 1. So they need to multiply to a negative and add to a positive. It's going to be negative 10 plus 11 equals 1. Negative 10 times 11 is negative 110. So those are the numbers that go here. And then when we solve, we set each factor equal to 0. Then we solve. Okay, so we have 2 answers because it's x squared. Because it's a quadratic, we're going to get 2 solutions. But only one of these makes sense. If I put a negative right here, I'm going to get a negative distance. Can't have a negative distance. So it can't be negative 11. The answer would just be x equals 10.